you need to add somebody into your contact list before you can WhatsApp them? The answer is no. So in this video, I'm going to show you how. But before I begin, please subscribe to this channel so that you can get more social media tips like this. Without further ado, let me jump into my phone and let me show you how you can message, call or video call someone in WhatsApp without adding them into contact list. Let's go. Okay, first of all, open up your WhatsApp app. It is very easy. All you need to do is just have the number ready. Go to WhatsApp yourself. So what I do, I have this chat where I used to WhatsApp myself things like links, pictures and instructions. So you can just put in any phone number. For example, I'll just take any random number I put in here. Alright, this is local Malaysia number, any number. Alright, then you just have to click on the number. You can see it is hyperlinked. Just click on the number. Then you have options to message, audio call or video call. You don't even need to add that person into your contact list. You just have to put in a number in your own chat, click on it, and then you have option to message, audio call or video call that person. It is that simple. Hope this useful trick is helpful for you. If you like what I share, do like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching and I see you next time. Goodbye.